Hi everyone. Recently I came across this question, right? So you're asked to integrate this expression. Okay, so it was originally a hence question. So meaning before that, you're actually asked to differentiate a particular expression and use that answer to integrate this expression. So the question is, what if we don't have the hence? Okay, what if we were to do it without the hence? Okay, so this is how it will go. Okay, so let x, right? So we're going to use substitution method here, right? Integration by substitution. Let x be equals to square root 32 tangent u, right? For example, so x and u, they're both variables. So dx, right, is equals to square root 32 secant square u du, right? Okay, so let's simplify this expression a little bit. Okay, so x squared plus 32, right? So x squared plus 32 will actually be 32 tangent square u plus 32, right? Let us factorize out 32. You will get tangent square u plus 1. Okay, and if you realize this is actually 32 secant square u, right? Because tangent square u plus 1 is equals to secant square u. Okay, so we're going to plug all these things into our expression. Okay, so this would be 1 over 32 secant square u, right? The whole thing to the power of, let me just write 1.5, right? 3 over 2 is 1.5. And dx is square root 32 secant square u du, right? Okay, so let's simplify this a little bit. Okay, so can I say that this is 1 over 32, right? Integrate secant square u over secant, so this is 1.5. 1.5 times 2, here will be 3, right? Okay, du. Okay, so we'll get something like that. And if you simplify this further, you realize that it's actually 1 over 32, 1 over secant u, right? Du. Now, what is secant u, right? So for those who don't know, secant u is 1 over cosine u, right? Okay, so what is 1 over cosine u? Okay, that's basically 1 over 32 integrate cosine u du. Okay, so from this complicated expression, we managed to reduce it to this very straightforward expression to integrate. Okay, so let me continue from here. Okay, so 132 integrate cosine u du. What is integrate of cosine u? Right, sine u, right? So that's 1 over 32 sine u plus c, right? So c is a constant, so don't forget the plus c. Now, our original expression is x, so we do not want to leave our answer in u. Okay, so we're going to bring back the x somehow. Okay, so let me do a side working here. Okay, so earlier on we let x be equals to square root 32 times tangent u, right? So can I say that tangent u is equals to x over square root 32? Okay, so let me draw a little triangle here to help us. Okay, so yeah, the right angle triangle. Okay, so let's say this is u. So tangent u, right? Tangent trigo ratio. Tangent is what? Opposite over adjacent, right? So opposite is x, adjacent is square root 32, right? Using this. Okay, so how do we find the hypo? We can use the Pythagoras theorem. right? So this would be 32 plus x squared, square root. Okay, so this is going to come useful for us. Now, what is sine of u? Right, again, trigo ratio, sine is what? Opposite over hypo, right? So opposite is x, right? And the hypotenuse side is square root 32 plus x squared. Okay, this is great because now I managed to replace the u with x. Okay, so finally, oops, okay, let me change color. Okay, so finally, this is 1 over 32 x over square root 32 plus x squared, okay, plus c. Right, so that would be our final answer.